Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Is your girl Patience Okeke, and you are welcome to my space. So today I have an unboxing to do. I got a delivery from Temu, and this is how the package came from Temu. So and inside, guys, I need to confirm when I got this stuff. I need to confirm inside what's the content inside before the rider went off. So that is why you see this pack open like this, and he didn't even do it nicely. The guy was just so rough with the pack. He tore it, but normally this is not how I would tear a package in case I don't like what I ordered, so I can be able to return it back. So it eventually happened. So let's see what we have here. I just bought two items for Temu, and this is one of the items I got from Temu. So this is one of the items I got from Temu. This is supposed to be a shoe rack I got from Temu, and guys, I also got another stuff. Inside here I got this selfie stick from Temu. So, and honestly guys, seeing this tripod, I was really up. Seeing this tripod, I was really angry when I opened this, and I found out that this is the only length that the tripod could give me. Honestly, I'm one of those people that go through, I read reviews and before purchasing my stuff. So tell me why, after reading reviews and clicking on the exact stuff I want from Temu, and Temu have to send me this shot, like, this is just a selfie stick. The one I saw there on the Temu was really tall, above my height, so I can set it to different size. But this tripod came around, and this is all I got. And the stand here is not even firm. If I should put my phone on this, my phone will fall off. It's not firm. You can see it keeps shaking. It keeps shaking. Like, and this cost, I can't remember how much this cost on the internet, but I think the total stuff of what I got from Temu was 32,000 plus for just this thing. When I saw this package, because this is meant to be a shoe rack, it was very big. Like, I was so careful about my purchase. I went through the site, I checked reviews before I could make a purchase. Before I could put my money, I use my card and make a purchase. But getting this stuff, I was so angry. Just look at, what is this, Temu? What is this? I've been trying to know if I can push this thing, but this is the longest it can go. I cannot move it around. I can't do anything again with this. So I'm so returning this, because I'm not buying. I'm not buying, guys. I've been reading online on how to return stuff you bought from Temu. I was very careful. I didn't want to make mistakes, but my first buy, I have to return the both of them, because I am super not happy with my purchase, guys. So coming to the stand, this is all I got. Guys, look at, they are very feeble, not strong, but I just wonder, is my own sight different? is my own side different? Because what I saw on the site was actually different from what I am seeing here. Honestly, tell me how I'll buy something worth of 20 something thousand and I'm not getting value for my money. I need to bring a look at this. Is the clips that is going to hold this thing step by step. It is very, very, very light. If I press it hard, it's going to break apart. So tell me how this thing is going to hold up 7 tiers of shoes. This is a shoe rack that is meant to be very firm. But this thing, if I should press it hard, it's going to squeeze. Guys, I'm so angry right now because I need to bring out the other ones so you guys can see. Look at, these are very, very short. Guys, I am very, very angry right now because this thing is not what I ordered. They gave me what I ordered versus what I got, and I am so returning this. Guys, I will advise you guys, if you are making purchase from any online, like, just be careful. I just wonder where all these people that say they ordered this, they ordered that, and their own came out really nice, or Temu gave them what they ordered. Like, I just wonder where they are purchasing their own from, because tell me where I will bring out my money to purchase something online. At the end of it all, I'll feel like crying. Like, look at the clips that is meant to hold this thing stage by stage. They are so feeble. They are not strong at all. If I should press hard on this thing, it's going to break apart. Tell me, what's all this? What is all this? Okay, I still have more of it. Okay, so coming to the pack, look at this. Is just like a nylon. Tell me, how long do you think this thing can serve? This is just a nylon that is going to hold my shoe. This is meant to hold my shoe. Like, can you see this, guys? And online, I am hearing people, this is very firm. It is more beautiful in real life than the website. Like, come on, guys, you guys should be saying the truth. You guys should stop deceiving people. Stop deceiving people. You people giving reviews out there. Stop deceiving people. You know these things are bad. Say it is bad. Don't make people pay money for nothing. Like right now, I am so returning this. I am returning this. This is so light. If my shoe should go on this, it will just fall off. So there's no point even trying to fix this thing up. I am returning this. I am so returning it because it is not strong. It cannot serve the purpose. I don't have a shoe rack, and my shoes, the way I display them, I'm not happy about it. Even though this thing, they promise this is going to be one of the best shoe rack. Guys, I am so returning this because I am not happy with my purchase. Temu, you guys should do better. You guys should do better in terms of products, in terms of bringing nice and strong products to people. Like, let me know at the comment section, have you ever bought something from Temu and you get this kind of review? Like, I don't know where I should even be angry. Should I be angry with this tripod? By looking at it, you would think, okay, maybe it is fine, or this is just a selfie stick. And tell me why I should spend that much on a selfie stick that cannot even stand, because the promises the length is very, very tall, like above my head. But when I stand this, it cannot even stand firm on the floor. Imagine me now putting my phone on this. That means the thing will just break off. I cannot use this thing more than a week and I will toss it away. So there's no point of me making use of what I know I cannot use for so long. That is waste of money. So guys, I am returning this